What if I told you the quietest people often hold the loudest bank accounts, the kind of wealth you'd never see on Instagram, but you'd feel in their freedom, security, and choices? When you think about wealth, the first images that likely come to mind are Floyd Mayweather flaunting his collection of luxury cars, or Kim Kardashian's over-the-top designer wardrobe and lavish vacations. But here's the twist. Most quietly, wealthy individuals don't flaunt their success. They build it deliberately, steadily, and in a way that keeps them free from financial stress. Let's break this down with some real-world examples and insights. Stick around, because some of these habits might completely change how you think about money. Prioritize financial education. Wealth begins with knowledge. Bill Gates reads around 50 books a year, focusing on topics like technology, economics, and history. Why? Because quietly, wealthy people know that knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. They educate themselves on investments, tax strategies, and financial markets to make informed decisions. Ramit Sethi, a personal finance expert, emphasizes the value of understanding where your money goes. Start small. Swap out some TikTok time for books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or The Psychology of Money. Podcasts and audiobooks are great ways to expand your knowledge on the go. Check out other videos on our channel that explore powerful lessons from these books and many others, paired with real-life examples to enhance your financial education. Live below your means. Have you ever noticed how Keanu Reeves lives? Despite being one of the highest-paid actors, he's often spotted taking the subway, wearing simple clothes, and avoiding the flashy lifestyle. Living below your means isn't about depriving yourself. It's about prioritizing what truly matters. While some celebrities buy million-dollar mansions, others, like Jennifer Lawrence, live in homes that are surprisingly modest. Why? Because they understand that saving and investing is far more powerful than spending on fleeting pleasures. Think about this next time you're tempted to splurge on the latest iPhone. Ask yourself, does this purchase align with your long-term goals? Focus on long-term goals. John Koum, co-founder of WhatsApp, grew up on food stamps but built his wealth with a clear long-term vision. Even after selling WhatsApp to Facebook for billions, he stayed disciplined in his investments. Quietly, wealthy people don't chase instant gratification. Whether it's building an emergency fund, investing in retirement accounts, or saving for property, they understand the power of patience. Each small step compounds into lasting success. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Getting a raise. Most people would immediately upgrade their car, wardrobe, or lifestyle. Quietly, wealthy people resist this urge. Take Halle Berry, for instance. Despite her immense Hollywood success and a career that has earned her millions, she is famously known for her frugal habits and down-to-earth lifestyle. Instead of succumbing to the pressures of high-profile extravagance, she prioritizes financial discipline and thoughtful spending. This approach allows her to channel resources toward investments and long-term security rather than fleeting pleasures. By keeping expenses stable as income grows, you can invest the difference and watch your wealth multiply. Remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Build multiple income streams. Ariana Grande isn't just a pop star. Her beauty line, REM Beauty, is a massive additional income stream that complements her primary career. This approach is a hallmark of the quietly wealthy, who rarely rely on just one source of income. Instead, they diversify their earnings to create a web of financial stability and growth. Whether it's dividends, rental income, or side hustles, they create safety nets. Start small, freelance, sell digital products, or try affiliate marketing. Diversifying your income not only provides stability, but also accelerates growth. Stay private. Emma Watson keeps her personal life and finances out of the spotlight, valuing peace of mind over public attention. Quietly wealthy individuals adopt a similar approach. They build rather than broadcast. Next time you're tempted to post that shopping spree or vacation snap, remember that privacy isn't just about avoiding envy. It's about focusing your energy where it matters most. Embrace boring investments. Quiet wealth isn't about hype. It's about consistency. Jack Bogle, founder of Vanguard, revolutionized investing with low-cost index funds. These boring investments grow steadily over time, offering reliable returns without the drama of meme stocks or crypto fads. Simone Ashley, a star of Bridgerton, exemplifies this mindset by focusing on steady, meaningful growth in her craft. The takeaway? Play the long game with your money. Avoid debt. Debt can be a silent wealth killer. Dave Ramsey teaches the importance of living debt-free, advocating for strategic financial decisions. Quietly, wealthy individuals avoid high-interest consumer debt and only take on debt when it aligns with their goals, like mortgages or business loans. Pay off credit card balances in full each month. Save for major purchases rather than financing them. Financial freedom starts with controlling your debt. Prioritize health. What's the point of wealth without health? Think of Cristiano Ronaldo, who is renowned for his extraordinary dedication to fitness and health. Ronaldo follows a strict training regimen, carefully plans his meals, and prioritizes rest and recovery to maintain peak physical performance. His disciplined lifestyle has allowed him to continue competing at the highest levels of football, even as he ages, while also securing lucrative sponsorship deals and expanding his business ventures. Quietly, wealthy people invest in their health through regular exercise, nutritious meals, and preventative care. Staying healthy reduces long-term costs and improves quality of life, ensuring they can fully enjoy their wealth. Give back. Mackenzie Scott, former wife of Jeff Bezos, has donated billions to meaningful causes, often anonymously. Quietly, wealthy individuals see philanthropy as a way to make a lasting impact, not a way to seek applause. You don't need billions to give back. Start small, support local charities, or volunteer your time. Generosity creates a sense of fulfillment that money alone can't buy. Master delayed gratification. Delayed gratification separates the wealthy from the wishful. Angelina Jolie carefully selects roles and projects that align with her long-term vision, avoiding short-term temptations. Whether it's waiting for the right investment opportunity or saving for a major purchase, patience pays off. The rewards of delayed gratification are always worth the wait. Track finances meticulously. Ramit Sethi emphasizes the power of tracking expenses to find hidden leaks in your budget. Quietly wealthy individuals monitor their income, expenses, and investments regularly to stay on track. Use apps or spreadsheets to simplify this process. By keeping a close eye on your finances, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and achieve your goals. Cultivate quality relationships. Surrounding yourself with the right people is critical. Morgan Freeman is a testament to this truth. Throughout his career, Freeman has built strong, meaningful relationships with collaborators and mentors who have helped shape his path. By aligning himself with individuals who inspire creativity and excellence, he has continued to grow both personally and professionally. Quietly, wealthy people seek connections that uplift and challenge them, whether through mentorship programs, mastermind groups, or personal networks. They prioritize quality over quantity in their relationships. Have a clear vision. Finally, the quietly wealthy always have a roadmap. They know where they're headed financially and personally. Think of Elon Musk, whose vision for SpaceX and Tesla wasn't just about profit, but about changing the world. For the quietly wealthy, having a vision is more than a goal. It's a guide. Whether it's retiring early, starting a foundation, or traveling the world, this clarity keeps them focused and disciplined. Musk's unwavering commitment to his vision demonstrates how having a clear purpose can drive extraordinary success. By aligning their actions with long-term goals, quietly wealthy individuals build lives of intention and fulfillment, ensuring that their wealth serves not just their needs, but their larger aspirations. A well-defined vision isn't just motivating, it's the foundation of lasting success. These habits may not be glamorous, but they're the foundation of long-lasting wealth. Remember, wealth isn't about how much you spend. It's about how much you keep and grow. Which of these habits will you start implementing today? Let me know in the comments. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with more strategies to build your future wealth.